November 27th, card opening. Welcome. We're going to finish up the hobby box that never was. But first, let's do some Allen and Ginter first. Don't have everything set up quite yet to do everything the new home inside. Was it Siri? Beyond Ryan Reynolds. That's the third base coach. Loe, Killebrew, Soler, Amos Otis, and Carlton. He's got one rookie out of that, Jose Siri, which I don't know if I can tell you he did all that much. Bill West, Bryce Harper, Carlton, Snyder. Yes, we have a Allen and Ginter back, Morgan Murphy, and International Coffee Day. One last pack of Allen and Ginter. You can actually Sports Agent, that's what I thought. Roberts, Jenkins, Aaron Judge, Allen and Ginter, and National Nurses Day. In October, National Nurses Day kicks off National Nurses Week. That's good. Top update. I'll have to go back to the hobby box, which have been, oh, there's a J-Rod on the back. Fair to say disappointment. Jacob Stallings gold. I think that's our second gold, maybe third, but at least second. And Phil Rodriguez. We will be opening the silver pack, given the three boxes at the end. So we've been tortured enough. Maybe the silver pack redeemed it. J-Rod All-Star, Mike Trout 87. At least the end is J-Rod-ish heavy. And last pack, is there a redemption for this hobby box? Or was it a bust? Jim Melendez. Sanchez. It was a total bust. I gave you a J-Rod. That's about all you could say. On to the silver pack. Yeah, it looks like this will stay base. I know. Cesar Suzuki, Bobby Witt, Wander Franco. At least the silver pack gave us three of the bigger rookies. Well, silver pack slightly redeemed it. The Wander, the Witt, and the Seizu. Make sure none of these are numbered, because the gold ones specifically can be quite hidden. They're not. Anyway, that's all we have for today. Good luck in your hunting.